Yeah, boy. I'm getting so cut it. Video's done for the day. Welcome on back, ladies. It's your favorite around the way girl, naturally Candace, and I am back. First, I want to start by apologizing. I did not do any uploads last week. I am getting over a really bad cold. It has been crazy here with the weather in Florida. It's like 80 during the day, 40, 50 at night. At first I thought it was allergies, and then I got a fever and body chills, and I just was out for the count. So I didn't do any videos last week. So I just want to apologize, and I am back and will be back to my current upload schedule of Tuesday and Thursday. So as promised in my last video, I told you that I would do a dedicated video on taking out my Marley twist. And as you can see, I have already started taking out my Marley twist. I wore them for a total of 4 weeks. Last week was the 3rd week, and I definitely wasn't taking them out when I was sick. So this is coming up on the 4th week, and it is time for them to come out. I took out the sides and the back literally in 45 minutes. Using the rubber band method is the best method ever. It literally makes this takedown a piece of cake. So I just want to show you guys really quickly how easy it is to remove the Marley twist. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I unknot the ends. I just find where the twist breaks and pull the hair apart. You don't have to sit and unravel it. I'm actually going in chunky sections, just ripping the Marley hair apart, getting it to unravel, working my way up the twist, all the way up. And then once you get to the top where the rubber band is connected, you want to take your time and be gentle here. And go ahead to continue to separate the Marley hair. We'll unravel the twist. Once you get to where the twist is just connected at the base with the ponytail, you want to make sure that you separate your hair from the Marley hair all the way down. And then you just want to pull the Marley hair through the rubber band and out of your hair. See that? And then you're left with the little ponytail that you created, and you can just grab some scissors or use your hands to gently pop that rubber band. I didn't use scissors. I actually just been using my fingers, making sure that none of my hair is connected when I'm getting ready to pop the rubber band. Woo! You can use scissors if you want. I like the thug life. And just pop the rubber band. As you can see, there's no hair, none of my hair caught on the rubber band. And I don't know if you guys can see how oily the rubber band is, because this was a protective style and I wanted to make sure that my hair wasn't being pulled or breaking off. And you can see, of course, there's going to be some dirt, and you can see none of my hair was pulled out in taking out that Marley twist. Literally took me no time. Not to mention my hair is really moisturized. Okay, healthy hair is life. Okay, so I'll show you again really quickly. Just want to break the Marley twist at the end, starting to separate the hair. Moving up the twist, just unraveling. Get to the base, be gentle, find where your hair is going to separate from the Marley hair. There's my hair separating. And remember, you have a piece on each side, so I need to separate this side from my hair. And then you just want to gently pull that Marley hair from out of the rubber band that we created. There's the Marley hair, and there's the ponytail. Then you want to cut or somehow remove the ponytail, the rubber band, I mean. I just gently pop mine and then work the rubber band out of that section of hair. Ooh, this one is a little tougher. There we have the rubber band. None of my hair, none of my hair is connected to the rubber band. And here's that piece of hair removed. That's it. So I'm gonna finish taking the rest of these out really quick. I'll leave the camera running so you can see I use the same method and how easy it is to take these things out. So I've taken out the remainder of the Marley twist, and this is how I did my entire section of hair. I worked in smaller sections. I removed all the hair first, and then I went through and just popped out the rubber bands. Like I said, you can use a blade or scissors, but I just noticed that it worked easier for me to just slide my nail into the rubber band and just pop the rubber band. If you don't like pain or that's too painful for you when it snapped back, it just worked out easier for me to do it this way. And then I just gently pull the rubber band out of my hair. And again, you can see there is no hair breakage from my actual hair on the rubber band. The rubber band is actually very oily and moisturized because I did take care of my roots while rocking this style. And then I just gently go through and comb out that dirt and any debris that may be caught up in my hair. And that is it. Woo. And again, no hair or breakage of my hair in the rubber band. So I will definitely be doing these twists again using this method. This was the easiest method for me to install as well as the easiest method for me to take them down. I had about, what, 6-7 braids up here when I first started the video. It took me maybe 5 minutes at the most to get the Marley hair out and to get the rubber bands out. So in total, it probably took me less than an hour or so to get the Marley twist actually out of my hair. So I'm just gonna finish removing these rubber bands. And again, no hair, no breakage from this protective style. I know I will experience some shedding because I haven't combed my hair in 4 weeks, but that is to be expected. But I have been doing my black tea rinse. I didn't do it for the 4 weeks while I had these, but I had experienced way less shedding since I started doing the tea rinse at the beginning of the year. So I'm hoping that I won't experience too much shedding. Of course, I will come back and share that with you guys. So that is it. All of the Marley twists are completely out of my hair, and now it is time for wash day. So now that I have all the Marley twists out, I will be doing my normal wash day routine. I'm gonna start with the aloe pre-poo. I'll wash my hair. I'm gonna do a deep condition, a very good deep condition since it's been 4 weeks. I'm definitely gonna do a black tea rinse, and I haven't decided what I'm going to actually do to my hair as far as styling go. But the Marley twists get a double thumbs up from me. The rubber band method definitely gets a thumbs up from me. I will be revisiting this style probably in a couple of weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it 1 thumbs up. If you could give it 2, give it 2, but give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Be sure that you're caught up on all my previous videos because I have a ton of new videos getting ready to roll out. But that is it for today's video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, Queen, be great.